welcome back to my channel. For those who know me and those who don't know me, my name is Brittany and I'm back with another video.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
So, in today's video I have
Diamond
and
Kayla aka Bright Eye.
Alright, so as you guys can tell by the title, today we're doing the Bean Boozled challenge. She's so excited for it, guys.
Oh, really?
She's been dying to do it.
Oh, really?
Alright, so basically how it plays, we're gonna spin this.
I'm gonna go first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
We're gonna spin this compass. Whatever it lands on is what we pick from the bean here. Alright? So let me just tell you now.
The flavors
The flavors them. So we have liver and onions, we have cappuccino, we have old bandage, pomegranate, wrong egg, buttered popcorn, toothpaste or blueberry or berry blue, barf or peach, stinky bug or toasted marshmallow, booger or juicy pear, dirty dishwasher or birthday cake, stinky socks or tutti frutti, and dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie. Those are the gorgeous flavors.
Oh, really?
Alright, so we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Alright, ready?
Kayla, can I just go first? Oh, me? Come.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Me dead and you dead. No, hold on.
Kill you.
Me dead. No,
Then
but
me
me,
kill
me
you.
kill you.
Hey,
Do that over.
You kill me, then Dime kill you.
Then me kill me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but most.
I'm confused, but okay.
Okay, so that
Alright.
I'll figure out first.
You.
Oh, me? Okay, no
Who
problem.
did first?
I'm me then first.
You.
Yeah.
Then me, then you.
Yeah.
But mouse is from so they go from last night, you know.
Alright. Come, Miss Ma'am. Spin your
Sunny.
compass.
Oh, come. Oh, this thing, man.
Tip at the bed is very flat. Alright, spin it. Right.
Hey.
Cappuccino or liver and onion. So that's the brown one.
So we could just pick up one brown one.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
mouse.
brown. The brown one, yeah.
They pick anyone that brown one them, so maybe pick a brown one.
Yeah, cause
Because of that lamp pan.
chew it. And we supposed to guess what you take. Guess which one. So you know if you tell which one you get, you know, we guess it. Chew.
You can't do your face expression if you say which one
You
you
have to
get.
keep your face. I liver and onion. It tastes good though.
What a nastiness.
I liver and onion.
Mama.
No, something. Oh, come Bernie.
My turn, alright. Peach or barf?
Ew.
But the clothes, it look like a strawberry, whatever one. Which
What's the
one?
one?
is-
This one.
The big one, or the big something?
Yeah.
Stress
Come
out.
on.
Oh, I'm stressed out. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
They get peach goodie bobs.
Peach. Bar.
And yeah, me, I'm like, no,
Because that's how you're supposed to do it.
So it tastes like peach or barf. It tastes like dead fish. Ugh.
They look
That
the
tastes
same.
like fish
That's
eye?
why. Okay.
Bob, Bob it. We can't do the game now.
Oh.
They look the same.
Alright, go on. Your turn.
My turn?
But most?
Bro, Tutti Frutti or
Stinky
Stinky
socks.
Socks. Bro. Can I just not do this?
No, come.
How does it look?
Which one?
The color one.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus.
My girls, go on with this stuff. Oh, what is
You
that?
don't know.
Exactly. It cannot smell it.
Alright, ready?
It smells like a barf.
From beside her, that means no set of the wrong.
Wrong one. Where next one be? Two stinky socks.
You got a good one.
A stinky socks.
Diamond, you're too extra.
Can I smell them all?
Plastic socks. Family must stink.
Ew.
Your breath stink. Okay, let's not him now. Oh, for me, no bad. No bad.
Wait, so in him again?
Lister
Wash out
green.
my mouth.
You flash Lister green. Stinky socks. Alright.
Can I go next?
Where's the
Lister
diamond? I smell your mouth for now.
Think man. One more nothing something stuff.
Where's over there? Where's spinning
But I pretty like fair more than stink so.
No, but that one I think, man. But still I smell it. Diamond, where you put it? If I'm a TV.
Like he game done now guys.
No, man. Sit down. No. This air freshener.
You freshen over the man, let me spray it.
Oh God.
Birthday cake or dirty dishwasher.
Do you think it?
Oh, but no, this not been properly made.
Put it flat. Belly. Same thing. Tutti Frutti are
Stink socks.
Alright, mama.
Okay, more left it think.
Come.
You want me to color them?
This one.
Just
Like the pink one.
Yeah.
any one of them. You can pick any
Pink
one.
one look nice.
See, pick it. You get Tutti Frutti that one. You get Tutti
A
Frutti.
Tutti Frutti?
Yes, I could have never hide it so good. Unless you not true.
A Tutti Frutti?
But most.
Alright.
You lucky man. Because I feel more like he looks, you know.
But,
Center.
Oh, spin again. It didn't I center.
Blood clean. Pomegranate or old bandage.
Yuck.
A red one.
God, just give me a good one now.
Old bandage. Choose that one. Choose.
Monday for the list. Something like.
Hey, take that.
Looks like that, but you.
Why? Oh God. God bless this.
More pink.
Yeah, toothbrush me over.
Pomegranate, take it. No. The other one. Where the other one? Bandage.
Bandage, you get bandage, my love? We
You get
get
the pomegranate.
but moss.
No, it's not real. My turn. Come.
More sweet up again. You need a winter fresh.
Come on, ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
The nice center.
Come, spin
Spin
again.
again. Are the winter fresh one?
No. Rotten egg or buttered popcorn. Me not laugh.
And which color that, my love?
Yellow. Pick your yellow.
Me no want them. Me can smell the egg
Hey,
already.
girl, anyone that put my ear in me, I put back my ear in me, that's if you're walking out.
Me can smell the...
I'm not just eat this stuff, man.
Chew it. Chew it.
What's that?
Diamond, put your mother and chew it. You can't play the game, you know. Play that in the
So you want me to play a game though?
Me smell you, man. Think. Rotten egg.
Hey, true.
Chew. A rotten egg. Think is that for me?
No man, what did it take man?
Smelly.
Take man. Hey, oh God. That my take man.
And
Into it, I'm ready. Hey, man.
I want the other way she did it with the version of. And
You!
You go put right leg on the set there. Oh, this tastes like rotten egg.
Me done.
What you mean by?
The whole year I see you.
Put it flat.
No, this not.
I think I feel him.
Do it now.
That's him down.
Put it again.
No, I'm not like that.
I get the blue.
Berry blue or toothpaste. Oh, anything I get nice.
Exactly. Let's
Put
talk
it
about
on
the
the
blue one.
Blue.
Blue, let's talk about the blue one.
A two blue in there? They're wicked. Which one?
Very
And
blue or
toothpaste.
toothpaste.
A toothpaste. A toothpaste?
Of course, that water brush.
Oh, God. Diamond, did you get the toothpaste?
Nah.
Alright, me do my turn. Ready?
More thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish?
Come on, Bamos.
Yeah, man.
No.
Is it supposed to be a bad
And that one there, right?
Yeah, but toothpaste
Tastes
doesn't.
good.
Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish?
Yeah, that's a name.
No.
Right,
Yeah, miss.
but
Hey,
Moss.
best smell winter freshener.
If me get run egg again, I can't take it. Because I want thing if you try.
No.
No, I'm not going to clap you.
No. You take it again. Come on, Chef Kelly get the berry blue and the toothpaste
I
again.
don't want to play
Shit,
in
I
it,
take
and
it.
they never played something. And I said, no one play. Must have played easy physical in there, man.
Ready?
What mean?
And the blood dead fish.
Me get to the takes a lot to get.
No, I'm here. Something about me.
What thing?
I like my mother over here, so I'm not for brush. I
I don't know.
Guess me what that man?
Bring your mouth smell like the blue. Enough for me.
What invent this sweet here? No, it's a wicked set of people.
You see how many people when you have rotten egg?
The dead fish, the dead man.
Yeah, man. Come, I'm ready.
Oh God. This is not for the weak. No man. Go on.
Come on, ready?
Yeah.
But most.
You know, I make me.
Why? Yes man.
You know, I make me still. Hello. This has to be a
Put it
nasty.
flats. It's supposed to put flats and spin. No. No. Your wish. Come, spin again. Cappuccino or liver and onions. You know that bad enough? You know that bad. Think about it.
I
Right,
don't
Kenya?
eat liver, bro.
Yeah,
Which
Kenya?
one?
The cappuccino, the purple brown one.
No, but which liver?
I don't know, cow liver. Come eat, true. Man, hear yourself, you know.
If anyone next bad, I'm go over me.
Don't bring it, don't talk, man.
True.
Deliver.
True.
I
Deliver.
deliver. I said that making more. Too. Oh God, damn. Oh my. Oh my God.
Extra, man.
Much run already, 3 run. You're the 2.
No,
3?
more than 3, because then me top.
Oh, okay.
And I may start from.
Not much of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 from 10. 7 more runs to go.
And not that, man. No hurry up.
Yeah, my back hurt me.
This nasty.
It's flat. That worked too. Should I get the black one?
Roasted mushroom or stink bug.
I got a bubble.
A bubble.
That one, yeah. The white and brown one, yeah.
Come take that.
See them, yeah. Let me get some.
Hey, listen to me.
Come on, hurry up and take it.
See them there.
Okay, me take one of the dark, the clear one. And if it that one, any more shit up if ever it didn't go. Oh, mushroom, no guys. Why?
And because me can't eat, me get that, me can't eat the
And no
mushroom.
mushroom, no marshmallow.
I will one name.
Marshmallow, no mushroom, no do that. And then the marshmallow. Stick bug. Get a good stick bug. You want the napkin? Ma chew it or the mushroom marshmallow? Or you sample the stick bug?
You have it, you see marshmallow and you stick about the all. Frigga,
Come there. Oh, goodness.
yeah, man.
I broke that man.
I bought that, man.
Tick bombs.
Can you bust that, Matty?
Okay, they don't think. That think enough of that man one. Box. Box. Don't they give me a headache. Look for her
Brush my
night.
teeth tonight.
Man. No man, don't kill her in a chat.
Remember when we did this and I want to suck myself?
I go prepare myself. Come, I see me prepare myself just a while
I
ago.
say my arm on, piece up man.
No, it's not right.
But most,
It's dead fish again.
but most. Come my
Shut
lava.
up, dead
Come
fish.
my lava. But most.
No. Do I have another one there?
When you get that fish.
This again? Yes.
I think so. I don't know. That stinky stuff are too different. You have me.
No. This don't have no. Oh yes, it is.
Let me see.
Oh goodness. I'm not ready for this.
I'm really bottom man.
See, me
like
take up the
some-
wrong one because I can't smell it.
Something just go and show you.
God, this is in your hands again. Bless
Think,
me,
man, we can't
baptize.
make one look sweet, you can't think of your mouth so quick.
Alright.
Don't even wait till we get.
That
Miguel, just drink some water.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, that's a bit extra.
Upstairs far.
I just a bit extra. That's how I feel.
guys, we couldn't take the one there. The one there come. It's clean. Come right back up. Come there, bud.
I'm done. Your turn.
After you one more round. So there will be 5 rounds, right? Rico? What I say?
Hey, me not do that.
Yeah?
Me not take that.
Toasted marshmallow or stinky bug.
Me not like
That
that
one me just
marshmallow. Me
need.
not take that.
Just put together. Take and put together your arm. See them here. Eat it.
I'm gonna put my
Eat it.
boo-boo pan here and me. Me not laugh.
And the stinky bug.
Great bug when I get done.
Mash when you get? You're lucky.
The first good one, goodie box I get finally.
Yes.
One good one me get, you know.
Just
And how much good one you get? One. You should get the winter fresh last.
No man, I told me get.
2?
Yeah.
One me get another pomegranates. Your turn. Me need a blue one.
Remember what me get? Me get 12.
Last round, guys. Last round. No.
You don't go on nothing.
Oh.
What do you call this?
Put it flat.
You eat that something here?
Wait now. Good. Pomegranate. Pomegranate are all bandage.
But them not have something already.
No, I mean. The pomegranate me get.
The
Red
pink
one.
Something?
The red one. Pomegranate tastes good too.
I'm taking want to be what is that thing?
Or what? Sting
Old bandage.
Old bandage.
I want
No,
the
that
old
doesn't sound
bandage.
that bad. Compared to everything
Nah,
else.
that's some make one do.
Nah, like I do.
So.
The red one though.
Or the red one.
Anyone I read one them?
Yeah. But I like to do my stomach stick. You never make like this. And if you sample it in the oil bandage.
I want bandage.
You are bad enough. But no, Kelly, you're true enough, man. Can you sample it up?
No. Can I put these places underground? That's disgusting.
At least
You
when
took
I
them on a
smell
plastic, my love.
At least when I smell the one day. Always spinning something.
Anybody invent this city are wicked?
Man.
Everything you don't want to try.
No stop.
Yes.
What stink, man?
Oh, this is one in a good ear, you know what?
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, talk. Stop it talking.
Many say, hearing out.
Oh, God. Alright, my turn.
Grip me, please.
Can't do this. No, they just make me vomit.
Cappuccino and liver onions.
Mm-hmm.
No, take one of them yet. Hey, Anna Dubs.
I ate the brown one, the only brown one.
Oh. One more. One when you fill up this as well, yeah, a butter, popcorn, a rotten egg. And a rotten egg, they'll make me vomit.
I wish I make me vomit again. Are they, which one there, man?
If me get rotten
Oh
egg.
yes, well, second one as the fish. The rotten fish bad, man. You don't get none yet. I want to get a dead fish and see if I get.
Hey, the game done.
Yeah, you go like last.
No?
Yeah.
You lost any game, don't you, love?
Alright, cappuccino. Me just want a nice one to end with. Liver and onion. Alright.
I don't know.
Okay. Alright.
Stop sick. Can you say last round? Said. The box. But then I go clear from vomit. That man, get it.
Hey, you want to think, mama? Berry blue and 2 PS.
Me never see. You
Hey, you wicked!
You see?
It's one wicked.
What me do?
And I say if it's diamond, be honest.
Be honest.
Better see pan video, you know.
Alright. Alright. Go pan no.
You fine, so start again. Okay, I'm not pan it. Okay,
No, I'm not do that.
Yes, man. So
No.
I decided to go pan for speech and bar.
Me take beach and barf. No, blood clean take that.
I want that.
Go diamond. Go
Nice.
diamond. Go diamond. Go diamond.
Me no,
Just
no,
eat
me
it.
no want that. Me no want that.
Diamond, just eat
No.
it. And the last one.
Smelly.
Me not smell it. I just smell
Me
it.
broke here smelly you.
Diamond, just chill on there, me see
Nyam
you.
it. Everybody nyam for them last one. But we cannot want them for your last one.
And the beach and bar. No, then I smell thing. Never go open the balcony door.
And now we can do now. Just eat one of the blue one them.
No, I have 2 blue one left in there. So me do it again.
I mean, I'm one good blue one already.
And then we kidding the guys. They only put 2 there in the blue one in there. 3 blue one in there. It's like them I say. I want to wear a rotten in there.
No, by the way.
Oh Jesus. Guys, let me reward myself.
Hey, me no want that ugly looking for that. You not even give me no pink. Me no want them there.
They're just good. Eat them.
Me want the pink one.
My stomach's still sick. So guys, that is it for the Bean Boozled challenge. How was it?
Not this again.
Think man. Think bad.
How was it?
No. I'll never do this again.
Where's kid for the biscuit?
Guys, it was a hard one. As the box says, this is not for crybabies. This challenge is not for the weak. How much time you bomb it? How much time you barf?
3 times.
3 times.
About 4 or 5.
I don't want good bath. So guys,
It hurt, man.
that is it for this video. I recommend that if you guys are ever gonna try the Bean Boozled challenge,
Don't try it.
do it in an open area with lots of ventilation, cause it stink. I mean, I understand. I feel like let me load it up with this the terrible man, the one them man.
Like there's a lot of rotten eggs in that one.
But anyways, guys, it was good. It was a good challenge. Reactions. I hope you guys like the reactions. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at @the_Khadija and on TikTok at Khadija123.
And guys, follow me on Instagram at Jamnadian and follow me on TikTok at Jamnadian.
Follow me on Instagram at Kayla_DGAF and on TikTok at KaylaSmith7283.
So that is it for the video, guys. Like up the video, because I've been noticing that lots of the people that are watching this video are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe right
See
now.
more of Kayla and Diamond.
Period. So you want to see more challenge? Comment
More
down
than
below.
that, because I play a nasty challenge, bring it on.
You want to see more challenges? Comment down below. Challenges or pranks. If it's a prank, DM me on Instagram what you would like to see next.
No, there's some stuck on the
Oh my god.
Supposed to think. You wake up with yes. Yes, guys. So stay safe. Mega respect you right now. Stay safe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and peace out until next time. See you guys.